How are you feeling? Was this day worth it? So meaning the future is bright. Ni kweli tukiamua kuja pamoja na tufanye kitu tumeagree. Short term goals, long term goals, communication, kufanya kutoa contribution yako ndio itatusaidia, si ni kweli? Venye tutaagree your 100 bob, my 100 bob, itasaidia KMTC, itatusaidia na tutagrow, si ni kweli? So I want to take this opportunity to thank you all for coming, for finding time to be here. Thank you very much. Thank you to our administration for the support. Love you so much. God bless you so much. And we look forward to continue collaborate with you in each and everything that concerns KMTC Thika. Si ni kweli? Yes. So with that, AY Osoro ni nani? Anakuja hapa.